What's up, guys? It's Brendan here. So today I'm going to show you how I create my own album art for my music. So the first thing I recommend doing is getting the Pinterest app. I use this for a lot of art inspiration because what I like to do is I start with a drawing itself and then I use certain apps to add to it and enhance it. But I use Pinterest to get my initial inspiration. As you can see here, there's color palettes. All of this stuff is definitely beneficial. So I recommend getting that app and finding what art inspires you and what to create. Do make sure that it is your original art though. But I use this for inspiration. It's definitely very helpful for that kind of thing. So the next thing that I recommend doing is downloading the Adobe Photoshop Express app. That's the one that I mainly use for this kind of thing. There's just a lot of different filters and features you can do, so I recommend getting that. So we're just going to take an example of a drawing here, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So you crop the drawing however you desire, and then they have different settings here, one of which I like is the light leaks. There's just some really cool light edits and texture edits that you can add. As you can see here, I'm playing around, seeing what I like doing. But just mess around with it and see what you like. That's the one that I usually do, is called light leaks. And here's some examples of that. They definitely have lots of different options that you can choose. Another one that I really like using is called Duotone. It can drastically change the color of the photo, as you can see here. So that's one that I use a lot too. And you can do all kinds of different stuff, as you can see. I'm going for more of an indigo, moody color here with the flower. I'm also fixing the crop because I realized there was a shadow in the top left-hand corner, so I'm fixing that, and there you go. That's an example. So next I'm just going to show you some examples of ones that I have already done. Like I said, I just take the simple drawing that I did, and then I use Adobe Photoshop Express to add the different effects that you see here. Here's just some different examples that I've done. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I hope that helps you guys. Let me know in the comments below.